We're calling it. 2022 is the year of the small crossover. Reason being, the all-new Corolla Cross. Toyota is jumping headfirst into a white-hot segment with this one. It's based on the ever-popular Corolla sedan, but absolutely brimming with newfound versatility and convenience. Slotting in between CHR and RAV4, Corolla Cross's 3 flavors round out an incredible package. Should we take a closer look? First off, capability. Being a crossover doesn't mean performance takes a back seat. That's why Corolla Cross offers all-wheel drive on all 3 grades, and why it's rated to tow 1,500 pounds. You know, just in case all that cargo space behind the rear seat somehow still wasn't enough to contain the weekend plans. So, from the available roof rails offering extra storage up top, to a ground clearance of over 8 inches below, this crossover is clearly made to tackle the journey and have fun while doing it. How so? Well, under the hood, there's a punchy 2-liter dynamic force engine dishing out 169 horsepower, as well as a direct shift CVT that uses a unique physical first gear design for awesome response off the line. And if equipped, the dynamic torque control all-wheel drive will send up to half of that power to the rear wheels when added grip is needed, or just disengage when it's not. That type of clever efficiency is part of the reason Corolla Cross all-wheel drive can do all this while still having a manufacturer-estimated fuel economy rating of 30 mpg combined. But if maximum efficiency is the name of the game, the front-wheel drive models take it even further, with an estimate of 32 mpg combined. On the inside, it's not just about added space. There's advanced tech wherever you look. And it's clear the moment you open the door, literally. Let's say you can't dig around for the key. The available smart key system has you covered, as does the available power rear liftgate around back. Need to charge your smartphone? Just pop it on the available Qi wireless charging tray. Or just use a USB port. They're even in the back on LE and XLE grades. There's comfort in all this tech too, like an available dual-zone climate control system keeping front occupants dialed in just right, as well as standard rear seat vents for the passengers in back. And back up front, it's easy to stay on top of the drive, with the available auto-dimming rear-view mirror helping to fight off glare from the car behind you. Meanwhile, Toyota's audio multimedia platform plays center stage with its available 8-inch touchscreen, offering up an enormous range of in-car entertainment and connectivity, like standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country. And they'll all sound great through the available 9-speaker JBL audio system. Naturally, you'll also get access to Toyota's seriously handy connected services. For all 3 grades, that means standard trials to the Safety Connect service that's ready to call for help if something goes wrong on the road. And the Wi-Fi Connect hotspot serving up 4G access for up to 5 devices. While LE and XLE grades can be upgraded to include trials for Service Connect to keep you and your dealer on top of things, and Remote Connect to provide great vehicle functionality right in the palm of your hand, like starting and stopping the engine and locking and unlocking the doors. Yep, it's all right. We've all been there before. Can't quite remember if we locked up when parking. So what's the best way to complement all this great performance and technology? Great design to match. Even inside, Corolla Cross's interior punches far above its weight, with a streamlined and intuitive layout that's loaded with high-end materials and features. That means it can be outfitted with ambient lighting to set the mood, an available power moonroof to see the stars, and an available 7-inch multi-information display to keep key info right in line of sight. Soft-Tex trimmed seating is also available, including in a 2-tone macadamia and mocha color scheme, while XLE models also include a rear center armrest with 2 cup holders. On the outside, Corolla Cross's distinctly premium design is just as evident, with modern chiseled lines throughout. and a sleek silhouette topped off by an integrated rear spoiler. From the front, Corolla Cross is unmistakable with its black grille flanked by standard LED lights, and the same goes for the black body panels along the side. And when it comes to wheels, options range from 17-inch steel on L to 18-inch alloy on XLE. All combined, this is a vehicle you'll want to be seen in, day in, night out. True to Toyota form, peace of mind is key for Corolla Cross. That's why all grades come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, a suite of advanced active safety systems that include pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. These active safety features are designed to help prevent accidents from occurring. But if the unforeseen does happen, all Corolla Cross models also include 9 airbags mounted throughout the cabin. And when it comes to driver assistance features offering added convenience, Corolla Cross LE takes it up a notch with standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, while XLE goes even further with standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic brake, which doesn't just provide an alert if something is spotted, but can actively brake the vehicle. XLE even offers an available adaptive front lighting system which can rotate the headlights to help improve visibility around corners. So that's Corolla Cross, the perfect partner for whatever the day may bring. This crossover is about to reshape its segment not just by offering incredible design and a premium feature list, but by doing so while not losing sight of Toyota's signature formula of quality, durability, and reliability, or its unbeatable long-term value, something that's clear through services like the Toyota Care Maintenance Plan with roadside assistance. Head over to toyota.com/Corolla Cross to learn more.